Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the essential steps to craft a winning CV that will help you secure a job in any industry. Your CV is often the first impression you make on a potential employer. It's your chance to showcase your skills, experience, and personality in a way that stands out, whether you're applying in finance, healthcare, marketing, or another field. Let's begin with a strong personal statement. At the very top of your CV, you want a brief yet impactful introduction that tells the employer who you are and what you bring to the table. Avoid generic phrases and instead focus on what makes you unique and the specific role you're targeting. For instance, consider saying experienced marketing specialist with a passion for data-driven strategies and creative brand storytelling. Seeking an opportunity in a fast-paced agency environment to drive impactful campaigns. Remember, if you're struggling to get a job, refining this section can make a significant difference, and showing a little personality goes a long way. Next, ensure your contact information is professional. Include your full name, phone number, email address, and location. City and country are enough. If it's relevant, add links to your LinkedIn profile, portfolio, or other professional sites. Make sure that your email address conveys professionalism. Moving on to structuring your work experience. Instead of simply listing duties, focus on your achievements. Begin each entry with the company name and location, followed by your job title and the dates of employment. Use bullet points that start with strong action verbs like implemented, led, or developed. Quantify your achievements wherever possible. For example, you might say, increase sales by 20% within 6 months, or managed a team of 5 sales executives, improving department efficiency by 30%. It's also important to tell a story through your work experience. Explain the projects you contributed to, the problems you solved, and how your actions benefited the company. Now let's talk about showcasing your skills. Create a dedicated section that highlights your key hard skills relevant to your industry. Use concise bullet points for skills such as sales and negotiation, project management, or data analysis. Soft skills like communication and leadership can be demonstrated through the narrative of your work experience rather than just listed separately. Your education and certifications should be presented in a simple format. Include your degree, the institution's name, and the year of graduation. If you have any certifications that are relevant, like a CPA, Google Analytics certification, or project management professional, be sure to list them. If you're looking to boost your qualifications, consider adding certifications that align with current industry trends. If applicable, include a section for projects or a portfolio. For example, designers might link to an online portfolio, while sales professionals might highlight a key client acquisition case study. This section allows you to show concrete examples of your skills in action. Employers love numbers because they provide measurable evidence of your impact. Wherever possible, include specific statistics such as increasing revenue by 30% in Q4, managing a team of 10 to improve productivity by 25%, or reducing project turnaround time by 40%. These details help make your achievements tangible. It's also crucial to keep your CV concise and easy to read. Use clear headings and bullet points, avoid long paragraphs, and stick to a maximum of 3 pages unless you have extensive experience. A clean professional font like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman at a 10 to 12 point size will keep your CV looking sharp. When submitting your CV online, optimizing it for recruiters is key. Many companies use applicant tracking systems to filter candidates based on keywords. Make sure to include industry-specific keywords from job descriptions, use standard job titles, and avoid formatting that might interfere with readability. Saving your CV as a PDF or Word document ensures that the formatting remains intact. Avoid common mistakes such as typos, excessive jargon, unnecessary personal information, and the tendency to list duties instead of achievements. Always proofread your CV multiple times and use spell-checking tools to catch errors. Beyond the basics, context keywords are vital in demonstrating a well-rounded skill set. Your CV isn't just a list of skills, it's a strategic document that shows your value to a hiring manager. include keywords that cover all dimensions of your role. For example, technology professionals should mention the full software development lifecycle, while marketing professionals should include terms like content strategy, audience segmentation, and campaign analysis. Finance professionals might highlight budgeting, forecasting, compliance, and financial modeling. SEO for your CV is like SEO for a website. It helps you get found. Think like a hiring manager before writing your CV by asking who your audience is, what skills they value, and what problems they need solved. Integrate keywords naturally in your job titles, profile summary, skills section, and experience descriptions. For instance, if you're a lead engineer, mention system architecture expertise, leadership, and technical strategy. Discuss your experience with scalable architectures such as microservices or cloud-native applications, and include terms like distributed computing, DevOps automation, and infrastructure as code. Highlight leadership skills by mentioning team mentoring, conducting code reviews, and implementing agile methodologies. Recruiters also look for measurable results like reduced system downtime or improved deployment cycles. A well-optimized CV increases your chances of getting noticed. Think of it as job search SEO, using targeted keywords, highlighting measurable impact, and ensuring your document is recruiter-friendly. As you approach the end of your CV, include a section that leaves a strong final impression. This might cover professional development, volunteer work, or personal projects that demonstrate your initiative and passion. This additional detail can help set you apart from other candidates. For further support, explore external resources such as Indeed, LinkedIn, and Total Jobs to refine your CV and job search strategies. These platforms offer valuable insights and examples to help you improve your application materials. Let's dive a little deeper into the importance of context in your CV. Your CV should align with the specific needs of your target audience. Different types of companies, startups, SMEs, and large enterprises value different skill sets. Startups need versatile individuals who can handle multiple roles, while SMEs prefer specialists who can also offer flexibility. Large enterprises look for deep expertise in a specific area of the development lifecycle. Consider whether you want to present yourself as a specialist or a generalist. For startups and early-stage companies, emphasize your broad skill set and ability to adapt. For SMEs, balance your core specialty with versatility, and for large enterprises, focus on deep specialization. For instance, a software engineer should highlight full-stack development and rapid prototyping for startups, whereas a back-end developer targeting SMEs might stress API development and cloud security. Meanwhile, a DevOps engineer applying to a large company should concentrate on advanced automation, infrastructure as code, and performance optimization. For those at the top of their field, showcasing advanced technical concepts can be a game changer. Include expertise in software architecture, design patterns, scalability, performance optimization, cloud infrastructure, security protocols, and even AI and automation. Demonstrating mastery in areas like distributed computing, multi-cloud strategies, and advanced data analytics can significantly enhance your CV. Quantifying your achievements is crucial. Use specific metrics to illustrate your impact. For example, mention reducing API response times by 60%, optimizing deployment pipelines to cut processing time from 30 minutes to 5 minutes, or saving significant costs through cloud infrastructure migration. These figures provide concrete evidence of your contributions. In summary, crafting a winning CV means thinking from the hiring manager's perspective. Understand the company's needs, tailor your skill set presentation, and prove your impact with measurable results. A strong, well-structured CV is not just a list of qualifications. It's a strategic tool that markets your strengths and helps you stand out in a competitive job market. Thank you for watching. Remember, the principles we've discussed today are designed to help you build a CV that not only gets noticed, but also lands you interviews and moves you closer to the career path you desire. Optimize your CV, use the right keywords, and always showcase the measurable impact of your work. Good luck on your job search.